Hi, Bean Beauties. Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing? It's a hot, hot summer, and what I have in here is even hotter. But we have to decide, is in here an LV, or is it a Dooney, or is it a dupe? We'll find out. Nobody else is talking about it, but I am. Come on back. Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome back. Welcome back. Dee Dee Bean here, and we have a double Dooney Bourke unboxing, or is it? We'll find out. We'll find out. Could it be Dooney, or could it not be Dooney? We'll see. But I'm going to start with this little box here. I've been wanting these off and on, and it finally came available at a great price. And I thought, okay, I'm gonna take it. You're gonna hear little pitter patters because the dogs are coming in and out because I have my studio door open, have the AC on, and I have my fan here. So hopefully some of that will be filtered out with my little fancy microphone. If it's not, I'm sorry, but it is hot. We are in the hundreds. It's July. This is the worst time of the year for me. This is when I always get flare-ups. So we're having fingers crossed and prayers, please, that I don't get a flare-up. But the weather is getting hot. So Dooney has this, this little pamphlet with all the new canvas collection. Maybe I'll do a flip through for y'all. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? Dooney came through. Peter, you came through. I got a duck. It's my first duck in I don't know how long. This is only like my third one that I've gotten from Dooney itself. The rest of them came from you out there, came from all of my peeps out there. So this is a football one. Yay! I'm so excited. Wow. It was bent though. It was like that in the box, but okay, I don't care. At least we got it. At least I got one. Okay. So here is what I have. Beep beep. Thank you. Okay. So I did get a wallet to go with what I have in here, and I just had to. I've been seeing them unboxed all over the tubes, all over the Dooney tubes, and I had FOMO. I've been wanting this for a long time, but they're kind of on the expensive side. Oh my gosh, look y'all. Ta-da! It's the monogram, Dooney monogram, but what it really means, the DB is Dee Dee Bean. They monogram it specially for me. I mean, how could I not love this line? So this is it a zippy wallet? Is that what it's called? Or is that just what Dee Dee calls it? I'll put the name up here because Dooney no longer puts it in here. Oh, maybe it's on the shipping. It's called the Small Zip Around Wallet, and this color is fuchsia. Fuchsia, y'all. It's a gorgeous color. This is leaning more purple pink, but it is gorgeous. And of course, they don't put the price on here anymore. So I'll put that down on the screen somewhere for y'all so that we know what finally enticed me to get it. But it has the great braided zipper pull here and the braided zipper pull there. I love those details. It has a little pocket in here for cards or money or whatever. I had been kind of steering away from Dooney Bourke wallets because they were so tight. To put the cards in and out, I was having trouble, but I couldn't resist with this one. The Dooney Bourke wallets, I might be up on the chopping block, some of mine, but this one I like because it's small, compact, and it's a zip around. So when I get in a hurry, I can just stuff change or stuff the receipts in here and zip it up real quick, fix it when I get home. But in here it has the place for your dollar bills and it comes stuffed with a nice little cushion here. Dooney does very well with their packaging. It has the red lining inside, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots here. 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots there. This is leather. It is lined with the same red that's inside. But I've been wanting this style of wallet for a while, and I've been wanting this color for a while. You can put your change back here or little what have yous back there. It also comes stuffed, and it's also red in there. So this might be a hint as to what I have in the box. Just very, very pretty. Love this, love this. Okay, so let's set this aside. And some of their SLGs, Dooneys, it comes in these nice little boxes. And you know how I love to recycle these boxes here at home. I use them as lifts to lift things. I use them to put different things in. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, now we're going to open this. Now, this has 2 bags in it. So, we're only opening one because when I ordered this, I ordered a different item too that ended up being the bag of the month. I didn't order the bag of the month intentionally, but it's in here. So I am going to keep that for a separate video so I can do a bag of the month video for July. I haven't done one in a while. Oh, and of course it's on the top. Okay, we'll be right back. All right, so y'all anxious to see what I got? Ta-da! Yes! This is a gorgeous, gorgeous satchel barrel bag. Dooney calls them satchels. And this is the Kendra Satchel in Fuchsia. So, yep. I had to match. Matchy. But this is how, in case y'all don't know and you're new to my channel, this is how Dooney normally ships this. This is when it comes factory sealed. I wanted y'all to see. This is also the information tag on the bottom. And it tells you the information about the bag. And it also, some of them have yellow on the bottom, and it tells you it's 1 of whatever or 5 of whatever. And it's how many are in that series is what that's for. So hold on to that, because if you're a reseller, a lot of times that'll help you out with that. So let's finish unboxing this. It's been a while since I have purchased a new Dooney. Oh my gosh. The color is vibrant, and it is coming out gorgeous on the screen. That is the color. Dooney does very, very well with their packaging and protecting your items. That's one of the things I love about Dooney. And here it is. Oh my gosh, look. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. The bottom, you have your fabulous feet. Here is the top. And then here's the top where you can see the zipper. Now let me show you the features. It has these tassels here, and they had them wrapped up nice and neat. So they have these 2 tassels here, and these on the inside are just the natural. Now this right here has a different handle. I don't know how I'm gonna like the handles, because these handles are not rounded, they're flat. They're like a shoulder strap handle, and I don't know how that's gonna work against my hands. I normally try to stick to the rolled hands. This bag, I'm breaking all of Dee Dee's rules, the rules that I have in place for myself for my RA and what helps, which is one of the reasons why I hadn't gotten this before, but I couldn't resist in this color, and it's monogram, especially for me. But this color is just gorgeous, and fuchsia runs out quickly in the Dooney world. It's one of the ones that just are on there for a split second, and then they're gone. Here, this is adjustable, so you can adjust it. Right now, it's great. It's great for me if I want to carry it as a top handle, but you can. Oh, it's nice and stiff. Okay, hold on. You can make it shorter and longer. So this is at the longest setting. Let's see how that is. So that's the longest setting, and it gives you a whole bunch of more room. And let me show you what the shortest setting is. So here's your the shortest handle, and here is the longest handle. So there's quite a bit of difference. There's 5 different settings that you have. So you can have this down to here, or you can have it here. And I think I'm going to do it somewhere in the middle. Okay, actually, I'm going to do it on the setting on 2. That'll give me, and it can go it to the back. I might do it, make it bigger, but for right now, I'm going to try it this way. It is a crossbody. You can make it into a crossbody. Now, so this right here, the zipper, so y'all can see the Kendra, what's different about the Kendra Satchel, these handles are different, and the zipper, it just goes across the top, okay, which is something that I had been trying to stay away from as well. See, I broke another Dee Dee's health rules, but it comes very well stuffed. You're going to see how much comes out of here. Look, they put this brace in it to keep the shape of the bag while it's in transportation. Very cool. Here is the strap, and of course it comes with their signature key keeper. I'll show you all the strap in a second. See how much stuffing there is? Okay, I'll be back. Here is what it looks like on the inside. On the back wall, there is a zip and a slit down in the back wall. The front wall is just a slit in the front, and then it's just a regular open satchel, speedy type. Okay, Bean Beauties, this is the strap. I did tell y'all that I would show y'all the strap when I came back. So I'm curious to see what kind of strap this has. So it looks like, oh, okay. Alrighty, so this is a crossbody strap. So it looks like you can make it crossbody and maybe shoulder. This is the setting that it comes with. So usually Dooney does well as far as it fitting me at their setting. Yeah, I wore the green dress so that it would pop off of the green, and the handles clear the girls. Very nice. Okay, so I'm wondering, y'all, let's play with the strap a little bit. Dooney has magic straps. They have convertible straps. Let's see what this will do. Okay, y'all, sorry, my hands are hurting a little bit today. So Dooney made it to where it can be a shoulder strap, but for me, I think it may be too short. Oh, but I do like it. If I wore it that way, I might have to put just a little bit of an extender so I could wear it as a shoulder bag. So if it's quite not feasible for me, but I wonder if I made it to the smallest setting where I use this just as a top handle bag. If it was the kind that flopped down, it would be perfect. But I wonder if that matches my Coach bag. Yeah, for me this setting won't work. I definitely would have to have a chain extender. Okay, I did a makeshift chain extender because I can't find mine right now to do a shoulder bag, a shoulder carry. Yeah, so I could do it that way because I just need a little bit more. But for those of you who are smaller than I, you could definitely just use these two straps to make you a short shoulder bag.
Okay,
I did this at the shortest setting with the center strap, and for me it's a long shoulder strap, so you don't get that short shoulder strap that you would just for that. So if I wanted to use as a short shoulder strap, I would have to add an extender. But if you're smaller than I am, you would not need to do that. You could just use the two end parts and do it in there. That is very cute. I love how Dooney's innovative about that. Okay, thanks for playing with Dooney's sizes up here. I'll measure for y'all so we can see what the measurement is. So from top to bottom, let's see how close I get. It is about, I'd say 10 inches. And I like to do from here to here. It is, I would say about 6.5, and then going from here to here, it is just shy of 12, so it's 11.5. So 11.5 is how many centimeters? 30 centimeters. So it's 30 centimeters. So that's a speedy 30, I'm guessing. This is the silhouette that started it all for me in high school. This doctor's bag, the satchel bag, the speedy bag, the barrel bag, all of those names. This bag in the green, like the hunter green, is what I fell in love with back in 10th grade, I think is when I first saw it. It was in 10th grade. And I've just kept going back and back. This is all I used to use exclusively for years, was this type of a silhouette. I would wear them out and buy another one, wear them out and buy another one. Because back then, it was one bag at a time. It wasn't like it is now. I just love this one. But look, it's given it a little bit of a whooshy there. Now, when I saw this and I was watching some Louis Vuitton unboxings, because you all know I've gone a little bit crazy for Louis Vuitton and the Murakami and just, and mainly the SLGs and stuff. I did do a complete handbag collection as it is currently right now. I'll pin it to the top. If you have not seen it yet, I'd appreciate you going watching it. You'll like it. It's some different and unusual bags. But when I saw this, look, I'm going to put a picture up here. I'm going to put a picture on the screen. Okay, so what do you think? If you squint your eyes and kind of close them like that, could it or could it not be a P9? Put it way back here. Don't show that part. Put it way back here. Could it or could it not be? It's in that same kind of realm. It looks like the color. The colors are vibrant like that. But yeah, this definitely was not no $10,000 bag, that's for sure. I really, really like this bag. Love, love, love this bag. So hey, I got my wallet to match. I've got the bag, and what did I do with my ducky? A catalog and a duck. It was a hit. Today was a hit. It was a hit. All right, I'll put on the screen for y'all how much I paid for it. It was on sale, and I had to. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate all of those of you who have subbed recently. I'm trying to hit that 2K the end of this year. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I'd greatly appreciate it. It's free. It costs you nothing. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for being here with me. And if you have stayed till the end, I'd appreciate it if you put a duck. Put me some ducks down the bottom, because Dooney's mascot is a duck. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. Love y'all. Bye-bye.